the classic English fruit scone. Welcome to Dynatribe. What you need is 350 grams of self-raising flour, 30 grams of caster sugar, 120 grams of raisins, 120 ml of full-fat milk, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 75 grams of unsalted butter, 2 medium eggs beat lightly, 4cm pastry cutter, a baking tray with non-stick baking paper, a rolling pin, and a bowl. So first, place the flour, baking powder, and the unsalted butter into the bowl. Now mix the butter into the flour until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Now add the sugar, raisins, 4 tablespoons of the beaten egg, and pour some of the milk to the flour and mix. Once the milk has been mixed into the flour, again add a little more. And again repeat the process till the milk has been used up. Now lightly knead the mixture into a dough. If the dough becomes sticky, just add a little extra flour. Now place some flour on the rolling pin and chopping board and roll the dough to 3cm thick. Now cut into scones and place the scones on the baking tray. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees centigrade, 200 degrees centigrade if it's fan assisted, 425 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 7. Once cut, brush each scone with the leftover egg and place into the oven for 15 minutes or till they are golden brown. Now that the fruit scones are made, enjoy with some clotted cream and some jam with a nice cup of English tea. If you enjoyed the video, please support Dynatribe by like and subscribing to the channel. Till next time, thanks for watching Dynatribe.